Welcome to Lesson 3. This is a quick lesson that talks about your user profile and how you display yourself online with the WordPress community. Now what you want to do is in your WordPress dashboard, you have all your menus here on the left. Scroll down until you see users, and then what you want to do is go to My Profile. So click on My Profile. And basically it's telling you here that information below will be displayed publicly. So this is a good thing, and in some cases you want to be aware of what else might come out of it, in the sense that you're publishing information about yourself. So you have to determine what your level of comfort is here. If I go to the basic details, you can see there's got your username, which you can't change, but then other information about yourself: first name, last name, full name, what name do you want to display publicly, location if that's relevant. Some people don't want to have their location. Other people, if you're blogging and you're talking to a local audience in a small town or in a local city, then that's very important. And then some information about you or your business. I'm not going to fill in any of these right now because this is personal information for you, but you get the idea. And then if you look below here, there's also a section called Contacts. This is pretty cool because there are so many different ways that people can get a hold of you in the internet world these days. You can display a public email address if you choose. I often skip that step, and you can see here there's AIM, which is AOL Instant Messenger, and Google Talk, and so on. What I like to do is include my Skype ID, because Skype, you are exposing your ID where people can add you and start chatting with you randomly, but you're not giving away a phone number, and that's kind of cool. However, if you're a legitimate business like a brick and mortar shop somewhere, then putting a phone number is going to be kind of critical, because that's where some of your business might come from. All of these things are very personal to you and to your business, so look at the options that are available here and decide what's right for you. Again, make sure that people can get a hold of you. That's the key thing. After you've filled out any relevant contact information for yourself, make sure that you hit the Update Profile button here to ensure you save it. I've done it in the past where you fill all this in and then I forgot to hit the Update Profile. I had to go back and do it again. Kind of annoying. Then if you just keep going down to the bottom of your user profile section, there's a few different things here. I just want to talk quickly about photos and links. Now, photos is cool because you can have different pictures of yourself or any other logo or that kind of thing, and you can add the photo through a service called Gravatar. Gravatar is sort of an external service that lets you create what I would call almost like a global user profile, and that follows you around. So it follows your email address around, actually. So if your name is Joe Smith and you're joesmith@gmail.com, then with Gravatar you can say joesmith@gmail.com has these profile pictures, and when you go and leave comments on other blogs, it will automatically put your picture into that little icon window when you leave comments. But it also has your photo here for your blog. So decide what's right for you in terms of your photos. If you're blogging as just a regular person, put your photo in there. If it's a company, maybe you put your logo in there. And then you might want to add links here. This is where you can link to other websites. So in this particular example, we're setting up a blog where we're going to be blogging about business, but we're probably also promoting a legitimate business on a different site, like a company where we're selling products and services. Here is where we want to put the actual link, the URL of the business that we're promoting, and then the title of that site. The title is kind of cool for people that do search engine optimization. Let's say your keyword is Orlando Florist, and you want to be #1 on Google for Orlando Florist. Well, you put in your website there, but the title would be Orlando Florist, which is your keyword, and that gives you a very strong link back to your website, which over time, if this is a strong blog, will be a nice little addition to your search engine optimization strategy. If you don't know what I'm talking about right now, that's cool too. Just make sure that if you are going to be promoting other websites, you add their links here and you take care of your photos there. That's it for the user profile lesson.